Think math.
Picture a long row of dominoes. What do you have to check to be sure they all fall? That you can push the first one, and that each one is placed so it knocks over the next. With those two, 100 or 1,000 of them go all the way down. A mathematical proof has exactly this shape. Today, we use those two lines to prove a formula. Here is what we will prove. Adding from 1 up to n gives n times n plus 1, halved. We have seen this before as a picture, two staircases making a rectangle. A picture shows it to the eye in one glance. But this time, we will establish it for every natural number by logic alone. Only 2 dominoes to check. First, push the first domino. When n is 1, the left side is simply 1. The right side is 1 times 2, halved, which is also 1. The two sides agree, so the starting point checks out. In domino terms, the first one has fallen. That part is easy. Now build the bridge. Suppose the formula holds at some n, so adding up to n gives n times n plus 1, halved. Then adding up to n plus 1 is that, with one more n plus 1 stuck on the end. Tidy it up and you get n plus 1 times n plus 2, halved. But that is exactly the formula with n plus 1 written in place of n. The next domino falls too. Let us clear up a common worry. We assumed the formula holds and then proved it, so is this circular? It is not. What we proved is not that it holds, but the link. If it holds at one place, it holds at the next. We never claimed a domino had fallen. We checked that it was placed so it would fall. The push itself comes from the first one. To sum up, we checked one starting point and one bridge, so the formula holds for every natural number. The staircase picture from before and today's logic are two faces of the same fact. The picture shows you why at a glance, and induction guarantees that it never fails anywhere. Good mathematics keeps both of them close. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.